It's been a while, and after so long, today we're going to create a Bollywood look. It's not Bollywood if there's no jewelry, and all our jewelry is from Mumbai Image. This is primed like a pro, and it comes in 3 different shades. So cool. This is in clear. We also have in pearl. The color is so soft and natural. It suits my skin tone. And as for the bronze, it's more towards warm and like a sun kiss. So right now I'm going to start off my base with the Balling Base Poreless in pearl. It gives you a soft natural radiance, blurring. It really gives that radiance finish. Now I'm going to apply the Tarte BB Blur Tinted Moisturizer. It is hydrating as it is also infused with skincare, which is amazing. I'm using in shades light. Ooh, the texture is super soft and smooth. I think the Tarte BB Blur, it would also be nice to apply for your daily wear. It is so convenient. It's like a moisturizer and it has skincare infused with SPF 30, Tarte Shape Tape in light medium 29, and it's so-called like my go-to corrector. I just cover the imperfection first. It works as the eyeshadow base too. Another product that I'm gonna try today is Rare Beauty, and this is the Rare Beauty Neutral Eye Collection. We have all the shades from the clear to the darker shades. This is their latest eyeshadow palette that I've gotten. You can never go wrong with this all colors. It's all neutral colors that you can wear for your everyday look. Bring it to the front, and then we're gonna comb it back. I'm gonna apply the Rare Beauty Tinted Brow in warm brown. It's filling my brows just nicely. I love my brows right now. I'm gonna use my MAC Studio Fix Conceal and Correct palette. I usually use the light to medium one. This is the medium, so I'm just gonna conceal. Yep, better. Anastasia Brow Freeze Gel is a must-have, and this is the last step for me to set my brow. This really make my brow sit nicely throughout the day. I'm going to use Sour's Art eyeshadow palette for my eye look today. Look at the shades! The shimmer is so nice. Everything is so pigmented. Just going to start off with the base. The darkest one in cinnamon for the corner. I'm going to apply the bottom of my eye too, but just at the corner. I have my magic box from Anastasia. All the beautiful colors are here. I'm using amethyst glitter. This is the darkest color that we have. Outline the corner of my eye. Then I'm also going to add this at the corner here. A fine, like a pencil brush from Hakuhodo, my favorite brush. It is super duper soft, and I'm going to just blend everything. This is the brush that I use. I'm going to use the blending brush. I just got this Decorte in Satin Shine. Decorte is one of my favorite skincare brand. They works wonders on my skin. It is like a creamy texture at the front of my eyelid here. It's really shimmery. I'm just using a clean fluffy brush to blend everything. No harsh lines. I'm gonna use this Sour's Art liquid liner. I'm just gonna like apply it at the front area here. It turns out perfect, just like how I visualize. I get the very shiny effect using this. It's magic time. I'm gonna use dark concealer. I'm gonna use a brush first. By the way, this is my first time trying the base. Everything is so smooth. You want to have a good makeup, you need to have a good base. Look at this, so blendable. And I actually recommended this one. She said it is so good. And I'm spraying it with my all-time favorite Dior Ball. My makeup looks so radiant right now. I have been eyeing on Tarte Macaroon Blush and Glow, and they also come with the Macaroon Sculpt and Bronze. I've tried the texture. It was during House of Sephora early this year when I went to Kuala Lumpur. It was sold out. It is 2 in 1. One side is the cream and the other side is the powder duo. So my blush is in Pink Champagne, which I'm going to apply for today's look. And for the glow, we have the Toasted Coconut. It comes in cream and powder. 2 shade for the Sculpt and Bronze, which is in Brown Sugar and Cinnamon Roll. I definitely gonna go for the brown sugar. And we're gonna go pink today. It divided the cream and also the powder. At the same time, it also can be used as a palette. I'm gonna use the cream first. Oh, it's so nice. It's like a dolly pink. Let's say it's too much, you can just like dab it onto this palette and you dab it again on your cheek like that. I'm going to use the powder. It has a shimmer, so it gives you that glow. Wow, I'm in love. Now I'm gonna set everything with my Laura Mercier translucent powder. Just dab on my hands first. Fenty Beauty highlighter. Ooh, wow. And I'm gonna use my favorite glow stick from NARS. My favorite shades in Electra. I'm gonna just apply it just right on my brow bone. Makeup Forever in Up and Down 10604. The lip liner, it have like a pink base. It's brown, but it has a pink base. Patrick Ta in She's Secure. Now the trick is I'm gonna apply the highlighter from Fenty Beauty on my lips. Huda Beauty in Sugar Baby. I need more colors, so I'm gonna outline it with a pink lipstick pencil liner. Before I set my makeup, I'm gonna use this Stars Art glitter liner again, and I'm gonna apply it under my eye area. I'm gonna set my makeup with One Size Beauty. Time to change. Okay, we're almost ready. Even my nails are ready, and it's from Hella Good. Okay, we are ready.